OOPS concept in Java. What is OOPS in Java? Simula is considered as first object-oriented programming language. In programming, everything is considered as or represented as object. Smalltalk is considered as first object-oriented programming language. The popular object-oriented languages are Java, C#, Python, PHP, C++. Why OOPS in Java? The main aim of OOPS is to implement real-world entities. For example, object, classes, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Object means real-world entity. Example, car, house, star, sun, person, student, earth, moon. What we study in OOPS? Objects, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Object in Java. What is object in Java? Let's see. I have considered three objects such as car, auto rickshaw, and bike. These three are vehicle. Vehicle is the class name and these three are objects. Object name car, auto rickshaw, and object is bike. Let's have some properties and methods inside each and every object. Properties and methods. Properties are colors, wheels, doors. And methods are steer, accelerator, and brake. Every object have their own properties and methods. The definition of object is any entity that has state and behavior is known as object. Any entity or any object that has a state and behavior is known as object. For example, car, bike, auto, table, pen, person, fan, house, dog are the objects. A car is object because it has states. How to create a class, how to create an object in Java. Example, car C is equal to new car where car is object and C is variable where new is new keyword and car method is method name. Car C is equal to new car. How to create? For example, class car string car1 is equal to Ford and string car2 is equal to BMW where Ford and BMW are two objects. Creating an object car1 equal to new car1 and car2 equal to new car2. The collection of object is called class in Java. Let's understand inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java. When one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object, it is known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Class A is parent class or superclass, and class B is child class or subclass. Class B extends class A. Whenever we are creating a class A and class B, where class B extends class A, and whatever the properties and behavior class A has, it automatically acquires in class B. For example, representing animal. Base class is animal and the derived class is dog or cat or cow. Base class is nothing but superclass and derived class is nothing but subclass. Animal have name, age. For more videos, kindly watch next session. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe this channel.